So, new PC, my first proper race. I've been fiddling around making changes. Hopefully this has worked. First recording. We'll just see. Formula V, I thought I'd come back to something nice and simple. Okayama, the short circuit. Qualified 4th. I haven't quite got my field of view right on my mirror, I don't think. So I'm not sure how close people are. And my overlays are not working. So I've got the map, but the others weren't picking up. So my normal sort of who's where is not working. So, but my mirror does look a bit odd. That guy's half a second behind, but it looks like he's miles behind, doesn't it? So I've done something wrong there. I have to work out what I need to do that, because people are suddenly just appearing. And I don't have my marker that tells me when someone's alongside me either. So, all the excuses are out of the way now. I'll just enjoy the race and see if we can do anything about these guys. I did this race whilst I was just setting up the computer and had the racing line on. Never had that before. Came on because I just had to download a fresh install of iRacing on a new PC. That was quite interesting. I'm clearly not on the right lines quite a few times according to iRacing. Anyway, it's off now, so we were, all 4 of us, I think, fairly close in time, so, and with the slipstream that should help us keep together. But I am worried about these guys behind because they're closer than they look. I've definitely messed up my field of view. So I'll have to sort that out another time. Getting dropped a little bit here, I think. 0.7 behind. I think I need a bit of a slipstream on this straight.
Minutes to go.
So, 10 minutes to go. 0.8 behind. Yeah, I could do with a bit of a slipstream to close back in it. 0.9. It's not so good. Come on, David. Pay attention. Close in a little bit there. Close in a little bit there as well. I don't know if that's me going faster or them racing, but anyway, I don't mind. One way or the other. Closed in.
The next car's the leader.
Okay. It's all changed at the front. See if we can harry him out the way. Oh. Mouse suddenly appearing there. I think it's because the wheel vibrated the mouse. Don't know if you can see that on screen, but I certainly could.
That was your fastest lap of the session.
Okay, I got a bit distracted there. Thinking, what was my fastest lap? We haven't got the thing up, have we? That's why. Thinking, where's my little green bar? Let's put that up. Hey, nearly. He was going, wasn't he? Okay, there we go. Fastest lap 101.
Car on your left. Clear on the left.
I think we might be messing around a bit. Are the guys behind catching? Not sure. Well, this is a proper race, isn't it? Slow cars equals good racing, I think. It's more of a test to make sure everything's working. I mean, the PC seems to be working brilliantly. So much quicker than my last one. I'll put all the specs on my homepage, I think. It's a Radeon 9070 XT, I think, and a AMD 9050 X3D or something like that. It's good anyway. Spent about 1,850 quid on it, so I'm quite pleased. It's a lot better than my old 3060 Ti and my Intel i7 from like 5 years ago. So yeah, it's definitely better than that. It's just getting everything else set up. There's so many little things, so many little programs that I use. Anyway, talking a lot is affecting me closing in. So I'm going to close in. I want to get a podium here. So let's push on. Let's push on. I think a podium is possible. As long as I don't fall out the slipstream, of course. Need to push on again, don't I? Okay, closing in a little bit. Well, it's tight racing, but it's respectful, isn't it? People aren't taking each other out, which is nice. I'm trying a bit harder now, anyway. It's worked a little bit. I've closed up a bit. Yeah, that mouse is definitely... Okay, right with them anyway.
That was your fastest lap of the session. The leader just did a 2.132.
Yeah, you can see why we've caught them up. They're in the twos, we're in the ones. So where are we going to go by then? Probably on the straight, I guess. That's the plan. If somebody makes a mistake.
Five minutes to go.
5 minutes then. Need to make something happen here. So I'm closer. Not close enough though, they got slipstream as well. So not going to get by here. I'll take his slipstream, I think.
Car ride. Clear.
Well, that was unlucky, wasn't it? Very unlucky.
There's an incident ahead.
Oh, what a shame.
The car in front. The gap is 1.5 seconds.
How badly are we damaged?
Go right. The car behind
Oh dear.
is going off.
Christ, man, that's not how you bloody rejoin the track.
Oh dear.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Oh dear. Okay,
What a
well,
joke.
fairy tale new PC race hasn't happened, does it? But anyway, let's see if we can get something out of
The
this.
car behind is closing on you. The gap is
I don't know where we are.
9 seconds.
Okay, he's got to go in the pits.
Car right.
Where are we?
Clear on the right.
We were lucky, not too much damage, so... What position are we in then? 8th? Oh. 6th. Well...
You're back in 4th position. Doing great. Really
4th?
good
How
job.
come? Somebody else gone off, have they? What? After all that, I'm still in 4th? That can't be right. Well, that's lucky. Not fighting for 3rd, unfortunately, but I'll take that. After all those incidents. So is that 2nd and 3rd then? I guess it is. I don't know if I've got time to catch them. Probably not. I don't imagine. Car feels okay though. Don't know if I've been slowed. Probably not. Yeah, 3.5 seconds back. I don't think I'm going to catch that up. So what lap time's that then? 1022. So not too bad. Somebody coming out of the pits. It's the guy that crashed, wasn't it? In front of us. and then got taken out by the other car rejoining, which is unfortunate. So how far? 3.5 seconds. We're not going to catch this guy, I don't think. Unless I have some mega laps. Which I'm not really doing. Not really catching him at all, are we? 3.3, so a couple of tenths, but yeah, how unfortunate. Yeah, and the guy behind, he's a lap down, unfortunately. But he's pretty quick. He's probably a bit annoyed. Not with me, hopefully, because I haven't done anything. But he's probably just annoyed in general. So let's hope he doesn't feel the need to overtake. So I don't know how long's left. I'm really lost without all my information. He's going to have lots of speed.
One more lap to go.
Is he going to go by? Yeah, he is.
Car right. Stay on the left. Stay on the left. Clear on the right.
He's slow at the apex, isn't he?
Car on your left. Clear.
You can see I'm there. He's going to let me go because he knows he's a lap down. 2.8, so we're close a little bit, but not enough. Well, we could have stayed behind the 3 ahead and still ended up 4th, so I guess despite all the incidents, I'm quite happy with that. Could have been a lot worse. Shame we got a few X's, but that's racing. There we go. Well, let's have a look at those incidents, shall we?
Car stop on the...
Here we go. Okay, here we are on the grid then. So decent start, but let's see what happened incident-wise behind us. So this is the first lap, coming to the first corner. Oh, it's just... I mean, you've made a mistake. Don't just try and drive through him. That's annoying when people do that. You know, you've made the mistake. Yeah. Okay. So this is... Oh, yeah, unlucky. Well, they just... And then, bloody, I got stuck in it, didn't I? Which is a bit annoying. Then what happened? Oh, okay. Nasty. Yeah. Not good. Oh! Dear, oh dear. Oh dear. Okay, well, let's have a look at the results. So, top split, would you believe? Lost some safety rating, but got some I rating. Best lap then, 101.3. I managed a 101.4, so pretty much on the pace, you know. Didn't quite qualify as well as I should have done, but yeah, not too bad. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. I'm liking my new PC. Just got to get used to it and get everything up and running and working. So if you want to see all that when it is finally going, then do please stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.